Hello guys, how are you? It's me, Manuel, your teacher. Now we are going to talk about the future simple with will. Alright, so we use the future simple for predictions when we are going to talk about something in the future, to predict something. We use it for decisions and offers when you offer people about something, or when you decide to do something. We use it for certainty in the future. This means something that you think that is probable that is going to happen in the future. And we use it in conditional sentences and promises. In conditional sentences, is really often to use. What is a conditional sentence? When you talk about something, when you need something to achieve a goal. For example, if you study, you will pass the test. ¿Sí? Si estudias, pasarás el test. Es algo, something that is a condition, a conditional. And we use it for promises. Para prometer algo, promises. Alright? So we are going to use the most important verbs, and we are going to use them in future. Alright?
Oh my God!
So we have need, use, help, cook, clean, arrive, read, eat, drink, move, play, find, understand, translate, and bring. These verbs are going to be used. We will use them to do some examples in affirmative. First part of this video is affirmative. So we have, for example, need. We are going to talk about vacations. So you'll need some money for vacation. So you have to save. It's necessary you'll save money, you save coin for your next vacations. The next that we have, use. So let's see, we'll use. He will use the sunglasses in the beach. You will use them in the beach when you go there. Now with help. But before that, remember, this is the structure for the future. So we use first subject, then will, and the verb, and the rest. Remember that we use the contraction ill. So, for example, with, let's see, help. So, look, he'll help her friend to wash his car. Oh, next, he'll help her to tie her shoes. The next example we got cook. We cook. I'll cook Italian food this coming weekend. Or I'll do pizza and pasta, for example. I'll do pizza and pasta. We'll cook turkey in Christmas. We'll cook a delicious turkey in Christmas. Right? 5 with clean. He'll clean the temple. He'll clean the temple on vacations. Or the waiter, please, he'll clean the table. All right, so let's continue with read. So, for example, they will read at the Vatican Museum in Italy. They will read all the stuff there in the Vatican. Okay, for example, if they go to the Saudi Arabia, they will read the Quran in Saudi Arabia in a temple, in a mosque or temple in Saudi Arabia. 8, we have eat. What we got with eat? You'll eat fries in the cinema. You will eat fries in the cinema. Next one, we drink, future. We'll drink a cocktail, delicious on the rocks. Look at this delicious cocktail. She will drink also a glass of wine in the camping. Really lovely, right?
Wait a minute! Who are you?
10, we got move. With move, we can say that we'll move on a boat from island to island, from one island to the other one. We'll move on a boat. Next, we play. The family will play in the amusement park. They will play there, all the family in that amusement park like Disney World or something like this. Look, if you go to a skateboarder park, maybe you will find a great skateboarder. Look at jumping there. 13, we got understand. So if you go to the scouts, you know, the scouts, the people that go to the forest, the people that, if you go to the scouts, you'll understand how to use a compass. Look, this compass. You need the compass to know the north, the south, the east, or the west. For that reason, you understand the compass. Okay. Another one, I'll understand you. For example, this is a conditional. I'll understand you if you don't go to the party because you will be really tired after training. People will tired after training. People will understand the protesters. Okay? Because of the actual situation, no? The politics are corruption, the people. And we will understand them in the protests, okay, or riots. 14, we got translate. We can use, I won't translate using the dictionary, I'll use the Google Translator. I use it, right? And finally, for our example, we use bring. The mailman, the Rappi man, will bring the food, the delivered food. Or if you ask something via web, the Rappi man will bring you the package. Okay, your pack. And this is all about the affirmative in future. Alright, so for the homework here, you are going to write use three of the verbs and use it in future for your next vacation. And write me in the commentaries. Okay? Vas a usar 3 verbos de los que acabamos de ver y vas a escribirme qué vas a hacer tus próximas vacaciones aquí en los comentarios. Alright?